How to block someone on WhatsApp without letting them know. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application WhatsApp. Head over to the inbox of the person that you want to block. So the first thing you should know that there is no any option or the feature where you can block someone without letting them know. You can simply just block them and unblock them anytime you want. So in order to block, what you want to do is tap on this three dot at the top right corner. Click on View Contact. Scroll all the way down and you'll find the option of block. Tap on it. And once again click on block. Well, you have successfully blocked this person. Now this person won't be able to call you or text you on WhatsApp. And then if you want to unblock, you can simply tap on unblock right here. And then you'll be good to go. But you need to wait for the feature or the option where you can block someone without letting them know. So that's all you can do in order to block someone on WhatsApp. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.